Hello and welcome to another Phenomenex video tip. My name is Genevieve Hodson and I am the Senior Manager of Technical Support and Applications here at Phenomenex. Today we're going to be covering another solid phase extraction troubleshooting tip. The customer question today is, my sample won't flow through my SPE cartridge. Why is this happening? It's a great question. Let's take a look at a few common reasons that this can happen. One of the first questions that you're going to ask yourself when you're troubleshooting SPE flow issues is this happening during my loading step, the loading of my sample, or is it happening before I load my sample with the conditioning steps or with the blank? First reason for flow issues is that you have a viscous or cloudy sample. Thick or high particulate loaded samples should be diluted or centrifuged, filtered prior to SPE. You can also consider using a larger particle size sorbent. An example of this is our Strata X, which has a particle size of 33 microns compared to our Strata XL, which has a particle size of 100 microns. The Strata XL should be used for more viscous samples and will allow for better flow. If this was what was causing your flow issues, it would be seen during the sample loading step. Next, consider the manifold. The pressure needs to be high enough to generate flow. You should check your manifold or instrumentation for these issues. Sometimes it could be even a specific location in the manifold that's causing the problem. If this was the reason for flow issues, it would be seen during the conditioning solvents and the blanks. Next, it could be the solvent miscibility. Immiscible solvents will impair the flow. Always use miscible solvents. An example of this would be hexane and water are immiscible and would cause flow issues if used together. This would be seen with the conditioning steps and the blanks as well. Finally, consider precipitation or precipitate. Sample constituents or proteins can clog the sorbent. You can dilute, decrease sample volume, avoid denaturing solvents, or wash the sorbent with low ionic strength buffer prior to a regular wash. If this was if the proteins were causing flow issues, it would be seen after loading your sample. Reviewing our table for common SPE issues, remember to take a systematic elimination approach when troubleshooting. Isolate one variable at a time to determine the root cause of the issue. In our previous tip, we covered recovery, and today we covered problems with flow. Look out for future tips where we will discuss high recovery and reproducibility issues. Thank you for joining us today for our video tip. Keep an eye out for our new tips coming out every month. And if you have a question about SPE flow or anything regarding sample preparation, please chat with our technical specialists on the Phenomenex website who are there 24 hours a day to help you out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.